In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Gmail. This tutorial is designed to guide you through a seamless integration, allowing you to manage your emails conveniently in one place. Let's get started. First, open up Zoho Mail in your web browser. Once you're on the Zoho Mail page, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. You can typically find this option by looking for the gear icon, which is universally recognized as the settings symbol. It's crucial that you click on it so you can access the specific configurations that we need today. After you open the settings, look for the option labeled Mail Accounts. This section contains various email account settings. Here you'll want to click on it to give us access to modify the configurations necessary to connect with Gmail. Inside the Mail Accounts area, locate and select the POP option. Now, don't worry if you're unfamiliar with the term. POP stands for Post Office Protocol, and it's the magic piece of tech that allows you to download emails from Zoho Mail to another email client like Gmail. Once you've clicked on POP, you'll need to ensure that the PEP Access checkbox is marked. This action is essential as it enables your emails to be transferred. After you've checked this box, remember to click Save. Saving these settings ensures that all changes take effect properly, so you won't miss this step. Now that we've enabled POP access in Zoho, head over to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on the Accounts and Import tab in the Settings menu. This section deals with import and export functionalities from other email services. In this tab, scroll down until you find the option to Check Mail from Other Accounts. This option will enable you to connect other email accounts with Gmail. Look for the Add a Mail Account button and click on it. This step is where we'll begin the process of setting up the connection between Gmail and your Zoho Mail. A new window should prompt you to enter your Zoho email address. Enter your address and proceed by clicking Next. You may need to click Next a second time to advance through the setup flow. You'll now be prompted to enter your password for the Zoho account. Enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos, and then proceed with the connection. Following this, you'll need to choose the port number 995. This port is special because it specifically handles secure email communications, which keeps things protected and private. Next, ensure the checkbox for Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL, is selected. SSL adds an extra layer of security to your email integration, which is highly recommended. You'll also see an option to label incoming messages. Clicking this checkbox helps you identify which emails are coming from your Zoho account. Lastly, click on Add Account, and you should be all set. Your Zoho Mail is now integrated with your Gmail. You can easily manage and access your emails from one place, making your email experience much smoother. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it helps keep your digital life a little more organized.